channel. Today I have a very special guest with me, my best friend Megan. So today we are going to be trying out candy from Europe, places all around Europe. This should be very interesting. This is actually a video that I love to watch. I binge watch it. I don't care who it is. I watch this for hours because I find it so interesting. So I think we'll rate the candy 1 out of 5 or 1 out of 10?
1 out of 5, easier.
Okay, we have a lot of goodies in here. I've never tried any, have you?
No.
I don't think
seen
so.
about half of them before.
Okay.
More than half.
So you pick the first one.
Oh my.
Oh yeah, there's.
It's like it says Gillian? I don't know. It says a dark praline on it. No?
Okay, this is from Iceland. She just went to Iceland.
Yes.
So she brought me
And
back
got
some
these back.
candies.
Oh,
God.
I think it's just dark chocolate.
I'm gonna go for one of the big ones. Ooh! Penguins, milk chocolate covered biscuit bars with chocolate cream. These are cute. Okay. Oh, we didn't rate the last one!
Oh! Like a 2.
Yeah,
This
3.
wasn't, like,
The penguin. I've never had anything like this.
it tastes
It's
like
like a cookie.
Yeah, but like, what are those elf cookies called?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The
What-
Kibler?
Yeah, the elf in the shoe
Yeah.
in the tree. I mean, in the tree, not in the shoe. It lives in the tree. Yeah, it tastes like one of those. They're good.
I'd give this a 5.
Yeah, I agree with that. Okay.
Ooh.
We're going licorice. This is also from Iceland, so we'll try it. I think this one was like a berry.
Kind of like a Twizzler. The inside is smushy. You don't like it?
I don't know what kind of Twizzlers you eat, but yikes. But that one's, I think, the peppered one. Oh, I'm really nervous.
It's not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. It's not great, but.
Ugh.
Oh god! Oh my god! I'm really tasting it now. Drifter. Kit Kat.
Oh, it looks like a Twix. There's
That's
two.
a minute. Ooh.
I like this one. That's like a Kit Kat with the wafer, and then the caramel is the Twix, so it's like a
It's both.
Twix Cat.
It's a hybrid.
I like this one. Drifter. I'm gonna buy
Oh,
it.
I like this.
Okay.
I could eat this whole thing, but I'm not going to.
I'm not going to. There's a lot more. Let's do this because I'm scared of coconut already. So, milk chocolate covered coconut,
Joy. Almond Joys. It's like an almond joy.
or like a mound.
Is that what they're called? Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, I'm for this.
I feel like I'm gonna be on an island vacation with this wrapping.
Look, it's different language.
Nick zum Ingsenbach.
Netherlands.
Been there.
Really?
Yeah, Amsterdam.
Okay, that's so cool. Do they speak a different language?
Really, you're gonna ask me that? Dutch. They speak Dutch.
Oh, I'm gonna like this. Oh wait.
Oh no, I'm not gonna like this.
Yeah? Almond Joy.
It's
5 out of 5.
1 out of 5. Sorry.
Okay, I'm eyeing this one and I gotta try it. These are Gumballies. Gourmet English style wine gums, and I'm intrigued because on the picture they say like rum, cider. Okay, we're trying them. Mine says cider. They're squishy.
Oh, mine says port, like port wine.
Oh, really hard. Flavor is like 4 out of 5. It's not bad, but like the process is like not worth it.
If you have braces, don't eat these.
I mean, like my tooth is about to come out. So for that, I might have to give it like a 1.
Okay, let's do these because there's 2. The caramel flavored bar. Guys, look.
Okay, we totally have something like this. This is pretty. Oh, it smells kind of good. It's like a Hershey. Oh yeah, that's pretty good. It's like caramel.
Yeah, I give it like a 2.
I couldn't eat like the whole
3.
thing.
No.
Yeah.
This would be like a good like shaving on top of one of your cupcakes.
Mhm.
That'd be caramel cupcake with this on top.
That would be. I'm gonna have to keep these. I agree. I give it like a 3.
Okay.
These are actually really good. Okay, I got this one for Megan because she's a mint chocolate lover. I hate mint chocolate, but I'll do it for you.
Thank you.
We also got the plain.
Taylor hates it because it reminds her of brushing her teeth.
Yeah, this is toothpaste.
Oh my god, it's mint ice cream. Oh my god, I could eat all of these.
Have it. Take it. Let me try the regular one. Ah, shoot. I broke it. Let's try a regular one. Okay.
This is more candy I've eaten in like 2 years.
Uh-huh.
Two
The
years.
cavity.
Right? I mean,
The bubbles taste so weird, but they're cool. They're pretty good. That was an Aero bar. I don't think I ever said that. I'd give that like a 5 or 4.
I would definitely give that a 4.
I'd give the mint one like 2, but I would give the plain one like 5. Ooh, I don't know what these are.
Traditional bonbons.
What does that mean? What is black currant? Uh-oh, look at the word next to it. And licorice.
Black currant is licorice. I can smell
Oh. Uh-uh.
it. You could smell this right now.
It smells like really bad.
I'm sorry, guys. Those aren't good. Traditional bonbons. Maybe there's different flavors out there, but no.
I have to just swallow the whole thing.
That was like a, oh god.
This one. Roundtree's fruit pastilles.
They're not sour.
Well,
It's just a gummy with some crystallized sugar on it.
I don't get it.
What is gumdrop? Raindrop, drop
Yeah.
top.
I'd give it like a 2.
Yeah.
It wasn't that fun. I would not purchase again.
Let's try these. Yeah, I'm gonna like this.
Me too. Yeah. This is like the Aero, but the holes are filled in.
Yeah,
Weird.
exactly.
With malt. That's good. 5 out of 5.
Pieces floating in creamy milk chocolate.
That's good. That's like a crunch bar.
Good.
That's pretty good.
5.
The last big one is flock chalk balls from Portugal. These look like they'd be Reese's, but I don't think they are.
Uh-oh.
Milk chocolate balls with crispy cereal.
Chocolate for breakfast. It's like cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs.
It actually is breakfast time right now, so we are genuinely doing this for breakfast. These look like Whoppers.
Yeah. What does that taste like? That's like a Captain Crunch dipped in chocolate.
Yeah, it's like really crunchy.
I like these.
Me too.
5 out of 5.
Oh, I could eat these.
Honey, lemon, and
Uncle Luke's.
menthol. Oops, I think I bought a cough drop. I don't think I bought candy. It's a cough drop, guys. That's it.
These, there's 2 of them.
Ooh.
Sorry.
Ooh, toffee.
Walker's English Cream Toffee. For good.
Man, this stuff is chewy. Oh, I hope it's like a saltwater taffy. I hope it's
That's pretty good.
I'm gonna be here for another 5 minutes.
Oh, these are both unnamed.
Hold on, I got like 5 more minutes.
Last one. We have not been rating, have we?
Oh no, guys, I'm so sorry. We just like flew through them, but I mean, there hasn't been like a bad one since These.
Now these.
Always go back to this. Let's see if I can.
Banana.
Definitely smells like banana. I don't like that.
It's like a very funky texture in the middle.
So we ended on like a 1. Not gonna lie.
Back to the 5s.
No!
So that's all that we have for you guys today. We had so much fun trying out all these candies from Europe. If you're still at the end of this video, thanks for watching. You're the best.
Subscribe.
Woo! And thank you so much, Megan, for coming to my video. My first special guest! Of course, it had to be my bestie. We had so much fun trying these out. Some were bad, some were great. So make sure you like this video, subscribe down below, comment if you want. So if you want to see another video like this, since this is my favorite video to watch, we have some candy from Asia. So let us know down below or like this video. That'll indicate that you want to see more. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope to see you guys in my next video, and I hope you're having a great day wherever you are. Bye!
Coconut oil, great for the skin. Not to be used.
You can say that. Okay.